Chris Stapleton's version of Tennessee Whiskey is a really, really good beginner song because it only has 2 chords and it's the same 2 chords all the way through the song. First thing you need to know if you want to match the original key is put a capo on the 2nd fret. And then of course you need to know what actual chords are being used. So the 2 chords are G and Am7, okay? So to do a G, your first finger comes to the 2nd fret of the A, your 2nd finger to the 3rd fret of the low E, your 3rd finger to the 3rd fret of the B, and your pinky to the 3rd fret of the high E. It gives you a G chord. And then an Am7, 1st finger to the 1st fret of the B, and 2nd finger to the 2nd fret of the D string. And for this particular chord, you don't strum 6 strings, you actually only strum 5. So ignore the low E string there when you're strumming. And in terms of the structure of this song, the chord order goes G, Am7, Am7 G. Okay? Just keep that in your mind for now. If you find yourself enjoying this lesson, check out my 10-day guitar Kickstarter. There's a link in the description. It's free. We're going to talk about the time signature because this song is actually felt in 6, meaning it's in a 6/8 time signature. So I've set this up on my metronome so I can explain to you what that feels like because it really is a feel thing. It's going to feel different to playing just in straight 4 like a lot of songs do. So. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Listen to that louder click. That's beat 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and then if you're strumming along at the tempo of the song, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so that's just to give you an idea of how the song feels and why if you try to count it in 4, it's just not going to work. So you want to make sure you're counting in 6. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to slow that metronome right down. We're currently at 150 beats per minute, the original song tempo. I'm going to slow it down to 110 to make it a bit more manageable as we go forward. So let's now do a 6/8 time signature in 110 beats per minute. Okay, that feels a bit more manageable. 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now what I want you to do is I want you to start hitting a G chord on every beat 1. 4, 5, 6. G, 2, 3, 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 4, 5, 6. Just get some practice in where that chord is going to sit. Don't change chords at all yet. You're just getting used to the time signature. 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now if you've got your own metronome, you can actually set your own metronome at 110 beats per minute and you can practice along. Maybe that's a bit slow, maybe it's a bit quick. Also, don't forget YouTube has its own playback options where you can change the speed and stuff, so you might make use of those in these videos as well. That could be particularly useful, little shortcut. So now what we need to do is analyse the structure and the strumming pattern. So we're going to do this in 3 stages. So your first stage is simply going to be strumming 1 chord every single bar. And if you can do that for the whole song, then at least you can keep your chord changes and your practice kind of musical at that bass level. So that's going to sound like this, 110 beats per minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. that there is the structure of the whole song. If you can do that, you've got the whole song all the way through, because that just repeats again, again, and again. Now for stage 2, we're going to busy it up a little bit with the strumming pattern, make it slightly harder, but still pretty doable, I reckon. Here we go, 110 beats per minute again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down. Let's do it again. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down. So, as usual, if you want to change the speed settings on this video, go over that again and try to find a right tempo for you, then you can. Okay, or you can use a metronome. It's entirely up to you, of course. So stage 3 is going to be a slightly harder strumming pattern, especially as you try to speed it up to 150 beats per minute. And that strumming pattern is going to sound like this. 4, 5, 6, down, 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 up, 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 down, 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 and again, up, down, 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 up. Righty, so there's a couple of important things, or one important thing in that last strumming pattern there, and that is the accents, and you'll see them marked on the screen. It looks like a bit like an arrowhead, okay? That is an accent, and what an accent is when you make something stand out within the chord. So in that particular strumming pattern I've just showed you, every time I get to 4, that's when I make the strumming pattern stand out. So 1, 2, 3 are kind of on the lower strings, and then 4 is on all of the strings, okay? Or more on the higher strings to give it that kind of accent. So listen out for that as I exemplify again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, down, 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 up, down, 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 down. You hear that louder? Down, 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 up, down, 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 down. Okay, and what you're really doing is you're trying to replicate what the drums are doing, you know, because it's sort of like okay, so that's an important thing to think about going forward. Now, it might be a while before you can do accents kind of accurately, okay? Don't want to overcomplicate it too much for you if you're just a beginner, but it's just something that's worth knowing about and worth listening to as you're learning music. If you did enjoy learning that song that only has 2 chords, you should check out the song that is on your screen now.